on tonight, Thursday morning. Look at my baby box. Building in the wind, spinning. Look at that. I'm just let power to keep my baby on, just in case the lights go out, dog. My solar panel ready to produce. The lights go out. So right now I'm getting some wind and everything and blowing the trees, and you never know, it might knock out the power. You know, but look at my baby, she's feeding. Oh yeah, I'm talking about. Got the windows boarded up, as you can see. Most debris are secured and fastened, you know, as you can see, placed away so the wind won't blow it away. And the best thing yet, right here, producing that power. Keep my batteries charged and run my solar system just in case the lights go out later on tonight or so. Yeah, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. On the system. On the system of your house. Right now we're facing the north. This is facing south. Clouds moving and all that. Hurricane is almost here, so I'm ready. I just hope we don't cause anything no more than what it is right now, you know. At least we still gonna have the wind with the rain, so it's gonna be pretty strong, knock out power and stuff they presume. So we're all ready. I'm ready. Here we go. I'm getting prepped for this hurricane Laura gonna come in later on tonight. Today is Wednesday, August the 25th, I believe. Yeah, I got both my battery bank in my battery box charged up and ready. And getting these charged up too, just in case the lights go out, have extra power to go by. And my wind turbine is spinning, it's making that power. Look at that. Man, what I'm talking about. It's going through this rectifier right here. Bringing in that power, look at that. Get my batteries charged to the 5.6 volts DC. And batteries are, these batteries are charged at, I got a meter on this one too, 35.8 volts right now. I already charged these up in here in this battery box earlier today. Now I'm just give these a charge and make sure that they are up and ready for me tonight. Any other day that I may need them if the lights happen to go out. So this is how it is when you're preparing for a hurricane. You got to get your solar equipment prepped up, all your batteries charged, and make sure your panels are ready for the daytime, and the wind turbine for any time of day. As you can see, it's peaking. As you can see, look at that. It's going down here. It's keeping the batteries charged. With these here, you know, I can turn on for these in the battery box too at nighttime. That's just in case the lights go out. From the 5.5 volts. The wind turbine is generating, you know. As you can see, I'm all ready. All right.